Hello everyone, myself Deep. I want to introduce you my founder batch, 2K17 batch, this Ashish sir. So I want to just know what the experience of the fourth year, what is going on the fourth year in the Pune College of Engineering. So I want to ask some question by the founder batch. So sir, let's start. So most I welcome to Ashish sir. Now come to for question answering. Uh,
Yeah, well,
welcome,
thanks to
welcome sir. Sir, actually, I just asked a question regarding, sir, you invested 4 years in this Pune
why
College
not?
of Engineering,
Yeah,
sir.
yes.
So, sir, can you introduce yourself, sir, first?
At first, good afternoon, everyone. Hi, I am Ashish Ranjan, and currently I'm final year students or fourth year students of this institute, and I took the admission in the 2017, and I'm in the session 2017 to 2021, and also the year in which the college was established in 2017, and I'm from Department of Civil Engineering, and my hometown is basically I'm from Khaldia district, from this state, Bihar.
Great, sir. Nice to introduce you, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, actually, sir, I want to experience some regarding, sir, happening on the college.
Yeah.
So, sir, why you choose, sir, engineering in the 2017, sir? What is the craze that time, sir? You choose like engineering the civil branch that time, sir. Can you elaborate?
So first of all, I was interested in this department from the class 6 onwards.
Yeah.
When I was in class 6, from that time, I'm very interested in construction, drawing buildings, architects, and many other things. That's why I'm very interested to study about the civil engineering, about all the areas of civil engineering. So I took the admission in BTech in 2017, and I prefer civil engineering. That's that year. So
Sir, like if you choose like civil engineering, sir, some people are like commenting you choose civil engineering like you do work on the mystery level. So if you like some friends are commenting like mystery civil, in that situation, what can you sir handle that situation, sir?
no any issue.
Yeah, doesn't matter, sir. What time?
The only thing is that if my friends told me that way, no way. That's only a joke apart, and it's a funny scene and a funny moments. But the real thing is that whatever we see around us, all the things are only constructed by the civil engineering.
Yes, sir.
Other any department, all the departments are directly or indirectly related to the civil engineering. That's why for any, if you use anything, any machines, then you also need a base, foundation. Who can make it? Civil engineers.
Yeah,
That's
great.
why no problem.
Yeah, great, sir. Like if you're passing comment, it doesn't
Yeah.
matter what is going
Yeah,
on
yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah.
So, sir, what was your experience in the fourth year? So, what is the best moment like you based in college? Sir, like you also live in the hostel life, sir.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah, yeah. From nursery class onwards, I always prefer hostel because in hostel now, you share your times with your friends,
yes, sir.
and you know how to live, how to react, how to interact with peoples. That's why I always prefer hostel, and my experience in final year is very good, and there is also a lot of pressure for career perspective, and also what to do the next, because everyone knows that this is a COVID-19 situation currently, and mainly the engineering sector or
Yes.
the construction sector goes down. That's why it's a tough challenge, but we are engineers. We have to go apart from that.
Sir, actually, I want some questions, sir. Like,
Yeah,
sir,
yeah.
there is a 8 semester in the sir BTech 4. If you are doing a 4 year civil engineering, sir, there is 8 semesters, sir. So, which semester you base, sir? Like, you did hard level in the which semester, sir? Got like scoring marks, sir?
Mainly, everyone knows that first year is basic, or it's just the once again you can just revise the 12th syllabus, and from the second year onwards you studied about the technical papers,
Yeah, great, sir.
the related things with the civil engineering. And my favorite semester is mainly 8th sim because 8th sim and 7th sim both. Because in 7th sim I did some minor project, and in this semester also 8th sim we have to do major projects. So I'm very happy only with the 7th and 8th sim because it's a time when we can
What you
show
learned in the
what I learned in all the 4 years. That's why mainly the 4th year is the best.
fourth year, the
Yeah,
best.
fourth
The
year is
seventh or eighth semester is the best
yeah,
for you, sir.
yeah.
Sir, which are the best teacher in this fourth year, sir? Which one is the best teacher?
It's a tough question, but no problem. The main thing is all the teachers of these institutes are supportive, and I'm from civil department. But apart from that, I I have also affections from other department faculties also. But my favorite teacher from my department is Saurabh sir, who is the HOD of the civil engineering department as well as the TPO, training and placement officers of this institute, and from other branches, Vikas sir, who is the department of mechanical engineering, and also the examination controller, and other faculties are also well, like Lalan sir, Amit sir, Manish sir, and all faculties are very supportive, and they guided at every aspect, like your career perspective, how to study, what to choose, and whatever problem I faced, they can come and just support. Not only me, or to all of them, everyone, every student, they supported a lot. That's why basically HOD sir, Saurabh sir is well, and Vikas sir, and as well as the Neeraj sir, who is the principal of this institute. He is also a good human being, and he is the first man who supported a lot to the students. He joined 1 year later when the college established. He joined in 2018,
Yeah.
but a great journey also with him. And that's all.
Great, sir. The HODs are the best for you.
Yeah.
Everybody knows, sir. HODs are helpful, sir. They lay a lot of pressure, as well as the TPO.
Yeah.
Sir, what question for you, sir? Like anything, sir, that keep you attached a lot, going to miss you a lot after sir, college living, sir, like professor, teacher, lab, which are the missing a lot, sir? Like you are leaving the college.
Up to today, no. I'm just spending here as a student, but after passing out from here, we have to face the industry, we have to face the world. So every moment, every single moment which I spend within the 4 years in this institute is great, is awesome, and especially the things which pains me a lot. That is mainly the separation with my backmates, with my juniors, with the faculties, everything.
You miss a lot for your
Yeah.
attachment, sir. But also
Yeah.
you spent 4 years in this college, sir. With a lot,
Yeah.
sir. So, which is the best place in your college, sir? You tell me the best places in your college.
For me, that's the transportation lab is the best place for me because I did a major project also in that field, transportation engineering. So for me, basically the transportation lab is the best place.
Best places.
Yeah.
Such a best teacher like you, sir, like HOD, sir. This is what HOD, sir. If a teacher you will see, sir, so which teacher is the best for you, sir? Like which professors are like, there are a lot of teachers like the Babu Lalo teacher, Lalan, sir. Which one is the best for you, sir?
Yeah. For me,
Everyone is okay for you, sir, because
I, I think Lalan sir and Manish sir is very good for me, and as well as HOD sir also. But apart from HOD sir, Lalan sir and Manish sir and Amit sir, these three teachers from the Department of Civil Engineering helped me a lot, and helped me a lot in every aspect.
sir, you have, sir, 8 semesters, sir. Means like first semester, second semester. Every semester we have some labs, sir. Which lab is the best for you, sir? Like workshop labs, field work labs,
Unfortunately,
soil labs.
unfortunately, I took admission in 2017, but there is a government process that but our college lab was set up this year only. Basically, due to the COVID-19, it was established in the second year or second year, but due to COVID-19, the lab was set up this year also. So, in this field, we have some no problem. That's good, but it hurts a lot anyway. Yeah, but when the lab was established and set up, everyone, all the faculties uh, can work in every lab, and they teach all the students to at least know every experiment, and they perform every experiment in every apparatus and in every like soil test, transportation, fluid mechanics, in every topic and every department. Yeah.
Great, sir. Sir, which is the best tour for the sir in these 4 years in his college life, sir? If you did any tour in your college life, sir, you tell me what is the best tour? If you did from the college, yeah, your personal life, sir.
From my personal life, I went Darjeeling sometimes earlier. That was a very good tour because the things that that's very good for me is the environment and the climate of that place fascinates me a lot.
Sir, actually, I want to, sir, what is the short-term goal, sir? Like you are passing just from
Yeah,
the college,
yeah,
sir,
yeah.
after exam. What is the short-term goal, sir?
The first thing is my short-term goal is just first of all I want to give my 4 years in this field, and I've also interest in management also. So, but basically my short-term goal is to work with the civil construction company and got experience. That's
Sir, what is your long-term goal, sir? Like after you did, sir, training from the construction company,
Yeah,
what you
yeah,
did
yeah,
for
yeah.
long-term, sir?
yeah. My long-term plan is to do the startup and become a businessman,
Yeah, you want to become
business tycoon.
So you also planning for to give exam for CAT, sir.
Yeah. I'm still preparing for that, but this year, unfortunately, due to my personal reasons, I didn't fill the form. But anyway, at first I want to, as I discussed, my short-term plan is to work with the construction company. So from that, I took the experience of civil engineering also as a civil engineer. Then after, I also prepare for the CAT next year also, and then get my CAT exam in 2022.
Yeah, you are trying your best, sir, for sir, always
Yeah,
your
yeah,
career,
yeah.
sir. Career is what is very
Yeah.
important for you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, the COVID, sorry, what is affected your COVID-19, sir? Because you are in this 2 years, sir, without none attending classes,
Yeah.
sir. You know, sir, the online classes, there is a lot of affected, sir. So how, sir, COVID you affected like that?
Yeah, college tried their best to give the platform to conduct the classes. If any, due to COVID-19, offline classes is not possible due to the government policies also.
Yeah, yes.
But our college tried a lot to conduct the classes through online mode. But the things that affects us, the environment which create in classroom is we did not got that on online platform. So we miss the class environment. And in between that, there are also some industrial visit and internship was in syllabus, but due to the COVID-19, it also affects. We have to do the internship through online mode, not offline mode.
It's affected.
Yeah,
you, sir.
yeah.
Yeah, every
It
person
affects
in
a
India,
lot.
sir, affected like
Yeah,
this
yeah.
situation, sir. Sir, I want to speak in English, sir. तो सर मैं जानना चाहता हूँ सर कॉलेज लाइफ आपने 4 साल बिताया सर उसमें कभी तो कुछ कांड किया होगा सर लाइक कॉलेज लाइफ में कांड तो होता है सर
या
कुछ तो ऐसा कांड किया होगा सर आप बताओ सर उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा कुछ सिखलाइए सर
बहुत सारे कांड है, बहुत सारी खट्टी मीठी यादें हैं, तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। जैसे भाई भाई देना होता है, तो उसी में कभी किसी पर्सनल रीजंस की वजह से ही नहीं प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी लिख पाते हैं, तो इन बिटवीन दैट वी यूज़ द फोटो कॉपी एंड some pages we wrote from ourselves, like the starting 3 to 4 page, and in between that we use photocopies.
This is a trending of
yeah,
engineering.
yeah.
Every engineer like to sir.
Yeah, this is the experience of engineering. So
क्या सर आप 6 महीना इंजीनियरिंग का सेमेस्टर होता है, क्या 6 महीना पूरा पढ़ाई कर पाते हो?
it's a very good question, but as an engineer, 6 months is enough because we have to study only one night.
Yeah.
One night study, we have to know how to get pass in the semester exam. So one night study, 2 night study is enough for us. So no way to 6 months.
Only one night study.
Yeah. One night study is enough. But I want to say something with all the juniors. It's a good. One night study is good. 2 night study is good. But for that, you have to attend the class. Each class. You have to concentrate the every words of the professor. Then one night study is good. If you did not study, did not attend class, then after you think one night study is that's much we can do, then it's not possible. You have to attend the class. Then after only one night study is enough.
मतलब we need to sir continuous study.
Yeah.
6 months sir. Revision is a movie.
No, if not continuous, you just attend the classes, did the assignments, did the labs. That's enough. Then you know, at least you can you heard all the topics. You can hear the professor's lectures, what he teaches us. Then after, at the last time, you know which question is important. You have to understand that last year this question was already asked, so this year from this topic university didn't university will not ask. So you know how to pass. Engineers know, and any time is good for everyone because engineers have to learn one thing: never ever say no. Never say no.
We can do it anything.
Yeah.
If you जहाँ
We are
चाहे-
engineers.
Yeah.
We can do anything. जहाँ चाहे वहाँ रहा.
Yeah, great sir. ये मोटो हमेशा रहना भी चाहिए.
Yeah.
Thank you for meeting sir. कुछ
Yeah.
चीज़ें जूनियर्स को बताना तो सर अपने तरफ से दो words से.
मैं ज़्यादा तो कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहूँगा. But the one thing I want to discuss, you have to study a lot. We have to, when you will go in the final years, then you have to know what's the pressure. Like it's engineering sector is a good sector, no way, no problem. But currently, this sector affects a lot from any way, from the government policies, from anything. That doesn't matter. But you have to prepare a lot. You have to prepare a lot. Continuous study, not continuous study, then you have to know what is the basic terminologies. You have to understand the civil engineering concepts, the basic concepts. Then after you survive in the industry, otherwise you will not. So just focus on the studies. Apart from that, did the fun with your friends, go on a trip, and everything do, everything. But your primary work is also to study. That's much.
Thank you for submitting sir. Maybe meet you in the future sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you.
तो सर guys मतलब फ्रेंड्स दिस इज माय सुपर सीनियर सर. He's a founder batch of Pune College Engineering. So you know everything what is happening in the college life. You invest like 4 years in the college. This is a very important period. So we already know about that. So just I ask a question regarding what is happening in this college. Like Pune College is a lot of pressures, like social pressure also, local pressure also, study pressure also. So we'll just ask the question from my seniors. They will. This video maybe help you about that. Thank you guys. We will meet you again from different video.